Nowadays, every company with a website will have analytics, right? But many senior managers don't ensure that their teams make or have the time to review and act on them. I'm literally fed up. With going to a client and asking them, what are your most profitable keywords? Silence. Silence. It is crucial to get the keyword research right from the get-go, as targeting the wrong keywords will be a waste of your time, money, and effort. I am not in the business of simply bringing visitors to your website. I'm in the business of making you money. And you should be too. Otherwise, you won't be able to pay me.